congratulations, Chair, President, Vice Chair. Nakakilig, no, na as part of the press, makita na everyone's rallying today for actor.
You go.
Go.
Ladies first.
Siyempre, masaya kami. Yun na yun. Masaya na makita na from the humble number of 26 actors who first met in 2020, we are now at 300 members and growing.
Oh, wow.
So, yung makita na yung vision natin ng isang united na samahan, hindi lang naman organisasyon community talaga ang aming habol dito. So, to see that community growing is, hindi ka higit siya sa isang prize. Yun talaga ang vision at ang mission namin. So, to see it come to fruition today is makes our heart explode, diba? Vice Chair.
Yes!
No, the family is growing, sabi nga ni Isa. And kasabay nun, marami rin kaming naging partners. And ngayon, mamaya actually, makikita nyo that also our partnerships. Dumadami sila. So, ibig sabihin, maraming naniniwala sa mga layunin ng ako. So, nakakataba ng puso. Siyempre, and we're all doing this for the community. Actually, family.
Oh, wow. Ano po ba yung naging vision nyo dito, Chair, para sa aktor?
Well, ang vision naman naming lahat, sabi nga ni Isa, yung first 26 members, is really to create and to cultivate that community of dignified, empowered, proud, professional performers. So yung mga aktor, yung grupo ng mga aktor. And here we are, kahit sabihin man natin 5 years na magmula nung tinatag ito 2020, ang pakiramdam ay parang nagsisimula pa lang kami. Launching later, it's called the Actor Database. So matagal ng dream ng grupo ito, and we are launching it later. Makikita nyo more or less how it works. And ito yung parang representation natin, hindi lang dito sa Pilipinas, kundi pati future, in future purposes, pati sa ibang bansa, pag may casting para sa mga artista, para makita nila kung saan ba natin matatagpuan ang mga actors sa Pilipinas.
Correct.
Diba? Gusto namin, ang goal namin, ito yung maging top of mind website na puntahan nila to search for all the actors in the Philippines.
I would really like to congratulate Chairman Dong and the rest of the team. You know, sila Agot, sila Isa, they really did a good job here. They really worked hard for this. So, diba, congratulations sa kanila. And it's so nice, diba, to have this event where everybody's here. Lahat ng part ng industriya, theater, TV, film, lahat. The Sister of Dong, Vicky's doing back-end job, yung lahat. So, congratulations talaga.
This wasn't a walk in the park. Kamusta po yung pag-build ng database? Yun nga, paki-walk us through naman po. Paano nyo hinanap yung mga number nila? Syempre, I'm sure it's besides, of course, the actor, the production is here as well, and they're equally as important in making a project.
Yes, actually yung MEMCOM namin, yung membership committee headed by Andoy. And then meron, ang masarap dito kasi all the actor members, they're pitching in to help the project, the website, no. So, hats off to the MEMCOM and also to the committee who's doing the website. Kasi sila talaga yung kumbaga fill in the blanks. And of course to the members, kasi sila, they have to be the one who will fill in the blanks.
So,
and engagement of our members, and kaya importante sa amin na patuloy na mag-sign up ang mga kapwa-artista namin, because our community, our family is definitely growing, and we want it to grow stronger, and we want to forge deeper connections in our community. So talagang sana, kung hindi ka pa member, sign up ka na.
Paano nga po ba magpa-member?
Paano, Chair?
So, siyempre, may mga requirements siya. Una, kailangan talagang nagtatrabaho. Working actor talaga for the past 2 or 3 years.
Okay.
Screen time.
Meron kang specific screen time. Ikaw ay na-recommend ng at least 2 members ng existing actors in the community. And syempre, may good standing, di ba? May good standing, hindi pong magandang ehemplo ka sa komunidad, di ba, sa industriya.
Code of conduct, syempre.
May code of conduct.
Hindi naman kailangan perfect. Wala naman tayong perfect.
So, at yun, pwede ka na mag-member. So, it's either ikaw ay maiimbitahan or ikaw ay pwedeng lumapit sa amin. In this case, dahil ni-launch na ang website, syempre, ang goal is to have all the active working actors. So, we will make it now easy for them to onboard para syempre ang KPI natin dyan, lahat ng aktor ay kasama.
Yes, so, ganun na. You know, wala na namang boundaries ngayon with the internet, di ba? So, this is, I think, a big way to open the doors for our talent.
So, regardless of TV station, kahit saan bahagi ka man ng Pilipinas, in whatever region you're from, you are welcome to join the website.
Kamusta po yung ano pong pwedeng itulong ng mga network dito, ng mga, syempre, conglomerate, di ba, na to pitch in. Of course, this doesn't go without funds,
Yes.
di ba? I mean, it's better to help. Patatawa si
Yes po.
So, ano talaga yan?
Thank you so much for
Totoo yan.
acknowledging.
Issue
Thank
namin
you.
ng funds.
Siyempre, we acknowledge the help of the networks kasi dito tayo nagtatrabaho, di ba, sa ating mga minamahal
Yes,
na networks. And this website will coexist with whatever they have.
Yeah.
Hindi siya
We're
a
not
competition
managers.
in whatsoever manner. In fact, it will even complement what they have. With regards to support, grateful kami dahil una kaming nag-pitch sa FDCP, Film Development Council of the Philippines, at sa FAP. And naniwala sila sa amin, sa vision. In fact, yun din ang vision nila. Kaya meron kaming nakukuhang support mula sa kanila. And that's the reason why we're also having this. Because mahirap magtayo ng isang website, ng isang tech.
Mahal din, di ba?
Mahal yan.
It takes a lot of resources. Kaya, when it comes to funding, maaari nyo din po kaming kontakin. Bukas po kami sa lahat ng partnerships na syempre dapat aligned ang ating vision para sa ating organisasyon, di ba? Para sa ating community. And like what Vice Chair Agot said kanina, the partnerships are growing also. Like the number of partnerships. So, mas nakaka-excite siya kasi nakakadagdag siya ng value sa ating organisasyon at nabibigyan din namin ng value ang ating mga members. Katulad na lang ng free HMO, mental health support, napakarami po, bookkeeper memberships. Ako talaga nagsabi na.
Of course.
May legal,
malaking bagay
and of course,
yun.
Hindi, may legal help desk. Yes. So, we're really trying to empower our members and enrich
It's going to
them.
help a lot of actors. It's, para ma-improve yung mga work practices natin sa set, tsaka yung safety, tsaka yung health ng mga workers natin.
Tayong mga, of course, mga acting projects. At ang Miss Chair, ang mga projects.
Yun.
Meron kami mga palaro.
Pambansang palaro.
May awards, ganyan. Those are the things that
Sa pipeline.
Yes, on the pipeline.
And I have to give credit to Actor for keeping an eye on each and every member of this industry. Not just the actors themselves, but even syempre the people behind the scenes. So it's really good to be part of this team kasi at least somebody's got my back and I have their back as well.
To also highlight, nasabi ni Iza, nandyan yung sabi ni Miss A, yung podcast, sobrang abangan natin yan. Nabanggit niya yung Actor Awards na magiging parang katumbas ng SAG Awards sa Hollywood. Pero today, you will also witness yung onboarding ng aming HMO, sabi nga. Because yung health insurance, yung isa sa pinaka-gap sa atin sa mga workers in the industry kasi wala naman tayo employer. So ito, if you become a member, you are entitled to a certain benefit. So today we will be signing that deal and we will be starting the process ng kanilang pagsiguro ng kanilang safety at insurance kapag may mangyari. At sana hindi naman, sana wala naman.
May question po si...
Yeah. Paano yung mga inactive members of the industry like mga senior citizens na or yung mga character actors, are they allowed to apply as members?
I think character actors basta working in the past 2 to 3 years at very established naman. I think so. And yung senior citizens, syempre hindi natin na-expect na laging nagtatrabaho pa. So, meron naman kaming membership committee na nagsiscreen ng kung sino ang eligible.
Pati po theater actors,
As
screen
long as screen time.
screen time. Wow.
Marami kaming members that are also part of the Theater Actors Guild.
Oh, wow. Do they need to may free po ba ito pag naging member sila? Kasi syempre HMO may monthly yan eh.
May may fee siya.
Minimal.
May
Oh,
fee
minimal.
siya.
Actually, minimal.
Minimal fee.
I mean, Pag nakita mo yung benefits,
Oo
it really
Bawi ka.
outweighs talaga yung membership fee.
Tsaka
Ano yung support ng Mowal Fund
Oo.
or ng Film Academy sa actor?
Ang Mowal Fund, meron tayong ano dun.
So, si Mowal Fund kasi really takes care of the welfare. So, pag sinabing welfare, pumapartner rin kami sa kanila, sa Mowal Fund. And si FAP naman, bilang siya yung guardian ng lahat ng guilds ngayon, malaki talaga yung support nila sa actor.
Wow.
In fact, pag nag-launch sila, which I think will happen very soon, or nangyari na ba nung May 15, parang hindi ako sure kung May 15. Basta yun. Isa sa mga magiging gabay namin ang Film Academy of the Philippines.
Wow.
Partner at gabay.
Yeah.
So excited. I just flew in this morning from Los Angeles. I came from my Lilo and Stitch press junket. And I just got on the plane, arrived here 5:30 this morning, and Isa Calzado said, come to this actors event. You'll see all the people that work here in the Philippines. And I'm so excited. I met the gentleman here who did Lolo and Me that I just saw on the airplane, and all these really amazing, well-respected actors, and I just love it. I love being in a room full of creatives. Just like